In Linux file system, every directory is located under the root directory. These directories can have subdirectories, and the subdirectories can also contain subdirectories. There is no limit in here. Suppose we are at the machine farmer directory right now. But we need to get the ID file, residing under the directory named school. We can make a route to our desired file by first getting at school directory and then our expected file ID. Now, we can write the route like this. This path is called a relative path. You may ask, is there a non-relative path then? Well, no, there is nothing like a non-relative path in Linux, but there is another kind of path called absolute path. Let's again talk our path to ID file at school directory, but this time we are not at our machine farmer directory. This time we are at our root directory. You may recognize root is superior to every possible directory in Linux. So this time, our possible path to ID file can be this. This is called the absolute path. At first look, this might look like a relative path. In Linux file system, a path is called absolute path when it starts from the root directory. All other path is called relative path. Now, why is it important? Why should we classify a relative path just because when it's starting from root? To understand this, we need practical experience. So now we are in our Linux virtual machine, and you can see we are at our home directory for current user. To see files under our current directory, we can use a very useful tool called the tree. If you don't have tree tool installed, you can do this by type sudo apt install tree. Now type tree and a dot right after it and enter. This command shows us the directories and files under our current directory. You can see how all the files are organized. Let's get back to our topic this time. Let's see the contents of our ID file. This file has no contents, so we are shown nothing. We can now add some contents by typing echo, everything inside now, and then right angle bracket and the path to our file. If we try our previous command this time, we can see it is displayed in here. Now we can write our path ID file in this manner. Look, the path started from root directory. The output is the same as before. Now get to one directory lower, to office directory. Now type cat school ID. It's showing no such file or directory. Now try the absolute path. This time, it worked. This is the reason absolute path is so important in Linux file system. We can be at any place in our file system and easily locate and navigate to any directory or file using absolute path. Our operating system always recognizes the absolute path. One final lesson, we could display our ID file contents if we wrote our relative path like this. If you don't understand this path, then we got ourselves moved to one level up by using double dot, and then we did as before. You can understand this better if you watch the Linux file system basics video I have uploaded earlier. I have added the link in the description of this video. You can share your thoughts and any questions in the comments section and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.